Hello guys, good morning from Cebu. Today guys, we are here at the Ocean Jet going to Bohol. And I'm joined today by me, Ader.
Hi.
Alright guys, so come with us and join us on this trip. Guys, so palabas na po kami ng terminal and pupunta po kami sa Dao. Now we just have to find a way guys kung paano pumunta ng terminal. Maybe we'll ride a tricycle or jeep or something, and then pagdating po ng terminal sasakay na po tayo ng bus papuntang Carmen po. Okay guys, so nandito po kami sa terminal ng mga tricycle guys, and yan, sakay na po kami papuntang terminal po. Ito po ang sasakyan namin guys, tuk-tuk. Ang bayad po pala is 50 pesos per head, going to short trip going to the terminal guys. Okay guys, so dumating na po kami sa terminal ng Tagbilaran, and ito po ang terminal ng Tagbilaran po, going to any other part of the island of Bohol guys. Guys, so we're here at the Villa del Carmen, and this is our accommodation guys. So we had the high-end accommodation here, and this is our bed here. Look at that, looks like a hotel guys. And we had the cabinets there as shown on the online, and we also have a veranda here. It's like a sliding door, right? And that's the view guys of the Chocolate Hills. And on this side here guys, you have a a bathtub. Wow, this is really nice. Okay, for a bed and breakfast room. And yeah, you had a faucet here, and that's me. What's your name? Junior. Okay guys, so we came here past 12 o'clock. So what happened is that ito na po yung ulam namin. It's like Bicol Express and rice. Ito na po yung madalian namin na lunch guys. And there's a kid here who kind of slid. Hello, how are you? How are you? Very beautiful kid. We're looking for food in the menu. And that's the menu guys. Anong masabi mo sa pagkain natin today? Manghang. Kasi Bicol Express, di ba?
A few moments later.
Guys, so finally nakahanap po kami ng isang sasakyan papuntang Pangas Falls, and ito po yung sasakyan natin, tuk-tuk po, alright? And we're able to negotiate tuk-tuk for ride from 1,200 naging 1,000 na lang po each. So but then they have to wait for us at the viewpoint doon sa Chocolate Hills po. Alright, let's go! So dumating na po kami dito sa Pangas Falls on our first day, and welcome to Pangas Falls. Yan na po yung falls. Yan, very nice po ang lugar. And there's not much tourist in here, guys. Alright guys, so tapos na po kami dito sa Pangas Falls. Now it's time to go to the Chocolate Hills so we could have a good view, sunset view of the Chocolate Hills, guys. Hi guys, grabe, nahanga ko sa sa kasagdanan kay Pertitasa. Anyway, ito na guys, tara sila tiki. Alright, let's go! Alright guys, so nandito na po kami sa Chocolate Hills and we're about to go upstairs on top of that mountain over there, guys. That's the observation area of the Chocolate Hills. But first of all, we have to go there and pay for our entrance fee. Okay guys, so yan guys, bali magbayad na diri og 50 pesos kada usa ka tawo guys for entrance saka dito sa Chocolate Hills. Okay guys, so akyat na po kami. This is like 210 steps guys going up to the top of the mountain. That's the observation deck area of the Chocolate Hills. And you could see on the right side, that's where the Chocolate Hills is. Guys, medyo layo pa yun guys. Hangak na kayo guys. But you will be rewarded of the view guys. Look at that. Grabe. Ganda guys. Ganda. Alright, so finally naabot pagid sa Magipoyan here in Villa del Carmen, and I hope you enjoyed watching the Pangas Falls guys and the Chocolate Hills, the iconic view. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!